Hello everyone, and welcome back to Creative Life. In today's video, we will be discussing the fascinating world of virtual assistant services and earnings related to it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and this video is for you. Let's dive in.
Virtual assistant services have become increasingly popular in the modern workforce. As a virtual assistant, you can offer administrative and organizational support to clients from various industries. One of the exciting aspects of being a virtual assistant is the earning potential. Let's see some earning methods related to virtual assistant service. Many virtual assistants charge an hourly rate, ranging from $15 to $50 or more, depending on the services provided. Alternatively, you can offer packaged services or project-based pricing. The first way is to find clients, which is a crucial step in building a successful virtual assistant business. Start by defining your target market, whether it's entrepreneurs, small businesses, or executives. Utilize online platforms, social media, and professional networks to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Word-of-mouth referrals can also be a valuable source of new opportunities.
The second way is marketing yourself effectively is essential in this competitive field. Create a professional website to showcase your services, highlight client testimonials, and provide a way for potential clients to contact you. Leverage social media platforms, such as LinkedIn or Instagram, to engage with your target audience and establish your expertise.
The third way is one of the significant advantages of providing virtual assistant services is the flexibility it offers. You have the freedom to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Remember to market yourself effectively, determine your pricing structure, and continuously refine your skills. This opens up opportunities to work with clients from around the world and achieve a better work-life balance. By offering your skills and expertise remotely, you can earn a substantial income while enjoying the flexibility of remote work.
Thanks for your watching, and always remember that you have grabbed your success by own hands and no one is going to do that for you. So keep exploring. Don't forget to subscribe to Creative Life. We will be coming soon with an exciting video.